In this video, we will compare two of the biggest names in website building, WordPress and Squarespace. We will find out which one is better for you. Let's see who wins this fight. Let's start with WordPress. WordPress is like a big box of building blocks. You can build any kind of website you can imagine. It started as a tool for bloggers. Now, it powers a huge part of the internet. Think of it as the most popular kid in school. It's an open source platform, which means it's free to use, but you will need to pay for a place to host your website called hosting, and you will need to buy a domain name, which is your website's address. With WordPress, you have total control over your website. You can change anything you want. This is great if you like to be in charge, but it can be a lot to learn if you are new to making websites. Now, let's discuss its features. This is a new and exciting feature in WordPress. Before, you had to use different tools to change different parts of your site. Now, you can edit everything in one place. You can change your header, which is the top part of your site. You can change your footer, which is the bottom part. And you can change the menus that people use to look around your site. It's like having a magic wand to change your whole website's look. You can drag and drop different blocks of content. This makes it much easier to design your pages. You don't need to know how to write computer code to do this. Plugins are like apps for your website. They add new features to your site. Do you want to sell things online? There's a plugin for that like WooCommerce. Do you want to make your website show up on Google? There are plugins for that too, like Yoast SEO. There are thousands of free and paid plugins. This means you can make your website do almost anything. It's like having a superhero power to add new abilities to your site. This is one of the biggest reasons why so many people love WordPress. With WordPress, you are the boss of your website's design. You can choose from thousands of themes. Themes are like a new set of clothes for your website. Some are free and some you have to buy. After you pick a theme, you can change it as much as you want. You can change the colors, the fonts, and the layout. If you know how to code, you can change everything. This is perfect for people who have very specific idea for their website. You are not stuck with a design you don't love. WordPress started as a blogging tool, so it is very good for writing and sharing articles. It has everything you need to create a great blog. You can easily add categories and tags to your posts. This helps people find the topics they are interested in. You can also allow people to leave comments on your posts. This helps you connect with your readers. If you are serious about blogging, WordPress is a great choice. It has all the tools professional bloggers use. WordPress software is free to use, but making a WordPress website is not totally free. You need to pay for a few things. First, you need web hosting. This is like renting space on the internet for your website. Hosting can cost around $3 to $30 a month for the new site. Second, you need a domain name. This is your website's address, like www.mywebsite.com. A domain name usually costs about $10 to $20 a month. You might also want to buy premium themes or plugins. These can cost from $50 to $100 a year or more. So, a simple WordPress website can cost around $100 to $300 a year. So, who is WordPress for? WordPress is for people who want full control over their website. It's great for bloggers, small businesses, and big companies. If you want to build a very custom website, WordPress is for you. Big names like Sony Music, the Walt Disney Company, and even the Rolling Stone magazine use WordPress. This shows you how powerful it is. It's also good for people who want their website to grow with their business. Now let's talk about Squarespace. Squarespace is famous for being super easy to use. It is known for its clean and professional looking templates. If you want a website that looks like it was designed by a pro, Squarespace is a great place to start. Squarespace uses a more structured editor. You can't drag and drop things anywhere you please. Instead, you work with sections and blocks. This might sound limiting, but it helps make sure your website always looks good and well organized. It's hard to make a messy website with Squarespace. All their templates are mobile friendly, so they look great on phones and tablets. Squarespace also has powerful built-in features. You don't need to rely on an app market as much. Blogging, e-commerce, and portfolio tools are all included and work really well. It's all in one place platform that gives you everything you need to create a stunning online presence. Squarespace is famous for its templates. They are known for being modern, stylish, and very professional. There are over 100 templates to choose from. Each one is designed by a team of professional designers. These templates are a great starting point for any website. Whether you are a wedding photographer, a restaurant owner, or a consultant, you will find a template that fits your style. What's great is that all of these templates are fully customizable. You can change the color, fonts, and images to match your brand. And no matter what device your visitors are using, your website will look amazing because all templates are responsive. Squarespace Editor is a bit different from Wix's. It uses a section-based approach. Think of your page as being built with different horizontal sections. Within each section, you can add blocks of content like text, images, or videos. You cannot just drag an image to any random spot. It has to fit within the grid of the section. This might take a little getting used to, but it has a big advantage. It helps keep your design clean and consistent. Everything lines up perfectly, which gives your site a very polished and professional feel. It's like having a designer looking over your shoulder to make sure everything looks great. With Squarespace, everything you need is already built in. You don't have to search through an app market to find the right tools. Squarespace has powerful features for blogging, selling products, and showcasing your work right out of the box. Their blogging tools are considered some of the best. If you're a writer, you'll love it. Their e-commerce features are also very strong. You can easily manage your products, inventory, and payments. Squarespace also includes tools for marketing like email campaigns and social media integration. This all-in-one approach makes it simple to manage your entire online presence from one place. Squarespace does not have a free plan, but they offer a 14-day free trial. This gives you time to see if you like it. Their plans start with Personal Plan, which is around $16 a month if you pay annually. This is great for personal websites and blogs. If you want to sell products, you'll need the Business Plan, which costs about $23 a month. For more serious online stores, they have Commerce Plans. The basic commerce plan is around $27 a month, and the advanced commerce plan offers even more features. Now, if you want to save, paying for the year upfront saves you money. So, who is Squarespace for? Squarespace is perfect for people who value design and simplicity. If you want a beautiful, professional-looking website without a lot of fuss, Squarespace is for you. It's great for artists, designers, photographers, and anyone in creative field. It's also an excellent choice for businesses that want a polished and elegant online presence. If you prefer a more guided and structured building experience, you will feel right at home with Squarespace. So, which one is right for you? If you want total control, endless options, and are not afraid of a little learning, WordPress is your best friend. If you want a stunningly beautiful website that is super easy to create and manage, then Squarespace is the winner for you. Think about what you need your website to do and how much time you want to spend on it. We hope this video helped you decide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.